I'm Lila. The mornings used to feel like a series of urgent calls. Fix it now, pay later and move on. But every quick fix steals a longer breath later, and I've learned money isn't a shield so much as a mirror. The car's radiator hissed a warning I chose to ignore. The repair shop handed me a bill with a smile that felt more like a dare. A financing option glowed with ease. Instant relief, a promise of mobility, a future I could pretend wouldn't be altered by the number on the page. Still in deep thought, I heard the wallets whisper.
Quick fix now and a longer road later. The math isn't mercy, but it's fair. You'll breathe again today, but what about tomorrow?
The decision was made in a heartbeat. The loan was easy, too easy. It wasn't until the debt started jangling at the edge of every thought that the truth came knocking. The price isn't the interest. It's the time you'll spend paying for it. Debt isn't a verdict. It's a weather pattern. If you plan for tomorrow's storm today, you'll sail, tomorrow. The forecast is never perfect, but it can be navigated with a map, not with a lifeboat you pretend you won't need. As I was pondering on other alternatives, a trusted mechanic suggested a reliable, cheaper alternative. It would take longer, require a little patience, and a few extra shifts. Still, it felt more honest, like building a shelter rather than renting a tent in a storm.
A small repair today, a bigger plan tomorrow. You don't need a miracle. You need a direction you can walk toward.
I drafted a 3-month plan, trimmed the extras, picked up a few extra hours, and borrowed a ride to work when the bus couldn't cover it. Not glamorous, but doable. The repair happened with the cheaper option. The loan remains, but smaller, more manageable. The relief was quiet and personal, the kind that doesn't announce itself but lands like a soft exhale in a crowded room. There's a price to pay for convenience, and I'm choosing to pay it with a plan, not a blame.
Well done. You chose a path that respects the future you're still becoming.
Do you want to wipe out debt fast without losing your life to it? Here's a practical, 3-month plan you can actually do. Start today and finish strong. The goal is simple. Reduce total debt in 3 months while keeping essentials intact. Pick a method. Debt with the highest interest first or debt with the smallest balance first. Then commit to a monthly target and a tiny emergency buffer. Month 1. Assess, plan and start. Step 1. List every debt, balance, and rate. Step 2. Choose your method. Step 3. Assign month 1's extra payment. Action. Cut 1 to 2 discretionary expenses to unlock more cash. Month 2. Build the momentum. Step 4. Boost payments if you can. Apply month 1's focus to the next target. Watch balances shrink and confidence grow. If windfalls come, push them to debt after minimums. Month 3. Finish strong or recalibrate. Aim for a final push. If some debt remains, set a short reset plan, extend it by 1 to 2 months with a fixed extra target. Then make a sustainable plan to avoid relapse. Life happens. If months get tight, do the following. A. Cut extra payments by 50% but keep minimums. B. Pause non-essentials and apply windfalls to debt. C. Extend the plan by 3 to 6 months with a revised target. It is important to track your balances, to review them weekly, also to celebrate your milestones. Remember to keep a simple debt tracker. Share your progress with a friend or mentor. Crucial takeaways. Choose Avalanche, the highest interest first, or Snowball, the smallest balance first. Set a concrete monthly debt target. Create a 3-month plan with a fallback. And lastly, review weekly, adjust, and celebrate wins. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your 3-month debt goal in the comments. Let's finish strong together. The information in this video is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial, legal, or tax advice. Debt repayment depends on interest rates, fees, income, and personal circumstances. If you're in an immediate financial distress or facing significant debt, seek professional help from a qualified financial advisor or credit counselor. Always verify figures and consider potential risks before acting.